Hello everyone and welcome to Motor Talk again, and today this serene location with us is the Harley-Davidson X440T, and not just the motorcycle, 13 plus technically designed products that are perfect to complement this machine and all your touring requirements. Since the accessories we developed for the X440 were such a huge success, we got tons of requirements for the Harley-Davidson X440T as well. So we redesigned and redeveloped 13 plus premium accessories exclusively for the Harley-Davidson X440T. So let me explain these 13 plus premium accessories without any further delay. So starting off with our crash guard. The design looks quite familiar, doesn't it? It's because it is inspired from one of our most sold out designs. You may know it, the Hunter Astra crash guard. See, the Hunter and the Harley-Davidson X440T are city or urban cruisers. So these share some similarities, and hence, inspired from that design, we developed a new crash guard for the Harley-Davidson X440T, which is known as the Astra Neo. The Astra Neo features dual X-Protect sliders on each side of the crash guard, which act as a sacrificial component and the first line of defense, hence preventing any kind of direct energy transfer during the time of a crash to the mounting points or the chassis, protecting your bike even at the time of a hard crash. Now let's shift our attention to the front of the motorcycle. We have three products. One is the headlight grille, two is the fog light mounts, and three is the caliper guard. As you can see, the headlight grille offers maximum visibility, at the same time maximum protection, so you can see even at dark times. Two is the fog light mount, as you know, for the fog lights and for you all tourers out there. And three is the caliper guard, in case any kind of stone chips or damages directly hit onto the brake calipers, because the brake calipers are a very expensive component. Now let's shift our attention to the handlebar section. Here we have two products. One is the GPS mount and two is the front master cylinder guard. The GPS mount, as you can see, there are no mounting points for your phone holders. So we designed a GPS mount with a perfect viewing angle so that your meter has a perfect view. At the same time, you can mount your phone and look at the maps without any discrepancies in middle. Now let's move on to the engine section. We have developed a brand new engine guard for the X440T, which offers much wider coverage because this motorcycle's ground clearance is comparatively lower and engine protection hence is mandatory. So wider area coverage, maximum protection for your engine. Now we move on to the radiator. Here we have developed a radiator guard or a coolant guard that does its job perfectly, not too bulky, a minimal design that protects at the time of long touring, at the same time minor off-roading. Now we move on to two small yet crucial products, starting off with the Reservoir Oil Guard. The reservoir on the Harley-Davidson X440T is kind of exposed and it needs its level of protection. That's why we have developed not one but two variants, the mild steel variant which comes in black and the stainless steel variant, as you can see here, which comes in silver. Another product is the pillion footrest for the comfort of the person sitting behind you. Without any hassle, they can sit freely, you can ride freely. Now we move on to another segment, that is luggage solutions. Starting off with the saddle stay, made in a complementary design to the body line of the Harley-Davidson X440T. It is minimal and does its job perfectly by supporting your soft luggage and saddlebags. And now we move on to the next accessory, and that is the back carrier with backrest. As you all have noticed, the Harley-Davidson X440's backside is a little exposed and can cause severe damages. So we have designed a back carrier with optimum technically designed mounting points and supports 5 to 8 kilograms of soft luggage. The backrest, on the other hand, we have one more option, the laser backrest. And there you have it, 13 plus premium accessories for the Harley-Davidson X440T, made in a way as to complement the body line of the whole motorcycle. No matter you load it fully there is no bulk, there is no feeling that there is an extra accessory on this motorcycle. Minimal, sweet, at the same time offers the maximum protection. To know more about these products, visit www.motortalk.in or visit any of our authorized dealers all over India. Till the next video, bye-bye.